It's a Schindler. Oh, this one's passenger size. 5,000 pounds on this one. Cargo first. It's a passenger size, 5,000 pounds capacity. Say 2 ways on this. 2. Newer Schindler wheels on this one. Glad I got it myself. This is the second elevator at the IKEA Store, Costa Mesa, California. I heard the baby screaming. We're getting some Billy pickup. Come on in.
He looks crazy.
Another elevator has it running up.
नहीं जो नहीं आपके पास है ऑलरेडी इतनी ज़्यादा वही वाली है nothing new
देखो मैं
देख लेना
Go ahead.
okay thank you guys so much